to my channel. Well, as you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to finish my crochet order. One set consisting of 3 items, which is the top, cardigan, and a long skirt. The pattern is simple but turns out so beautiful. I got the reference from one of the influencers who appeared on Instagram Explore, but I forgot who it was, sorry. Well, this is the final look. The top, cardigan, front, back, and the long skirt. I love it. We can adjust the size from the back of the skirt also. Off to Suluban beach because I was so tired and bored of being at home all day. I've been here so many times actually. Unfortunately, the weather is cloudy, but that's okay. I'm still happy. What else can I do? Just watching K-drama because I'm just so lazy today. I just want to lay down and have fun. Next project, a simple heart patchwork cardigan like I usually make. You can see the tutorial on my channel. It's been there for a long time actually. Previously it was in pink and a crop cardigan, but now I made it in a brown color, short sleeves, and with a longer shirt length. Now it's time to connect the granny squares. I'm using black yarn. It's easy, just slip stitch on the left and right between 2 granny squares, as I show you in the tutorial video. It has been around for a long time. You can find it on this channel. Done! This is the result. I think it's so cute. Now I'm walking around Ubud, up to the Galalang and Tampak City. I think I never get bored when I'm in Bali. Even exploring the countryside is fun. Just a moment through the shortcut near Monkey Forest. They are so cute, but also worrying if they scratch or take our things. Well, that's for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'll see you on my next one. Bye!